Hey Lisa, I'm looking for a 3-bedroom townhome in Brooklyn Park, something that's low maintenance so I don't have to worry about yard work or shoveling. I want to be close to shops and have easy access to downtown, and we like walking trails so we can bike and get our exercise. Can you help me find something like that? Well, wouldn't you know it, I have the perfect townhome. This 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home located in the Pemberly subdivision in Brooklyn Park is perfect. It's close to shops, parks, trails, and downtown, and it's in pristine condition. Let's go take a look.